Good morning, my dear students. In today's class, we are going to see Geography Unit 6 Industries. First, we have to know what is industry. Industry is a place of process by which the raw materials are changed into finished products. Many raw materials are not fit for human consumption. Therefore, there is a need for conversion. This transformation of commodities from one form to another form is the essence of manufacturing industry or the secondary group of economic activities. Arrival of science and technology help the man to fabricate raw materials into finished products. The economic strength of a country is always measured by the development of manufacturing industries. Therefore, any country in the world is basically depends on the effective growth of industries for its economic development. Economic activity. Any action that involves in the production, distribution, consumption or services is an economic activity. Basic economic activities. The following are the major and fundamental economic activities. Primary economic activities, secondary economic activities, tertiary economic activities, quaternary activities and quinary activities. For example, raw cotton production is the best example for primary economic activities. The spinning mill is an example for secondary economic activities. Trade and transport are the examples of tertiary economic activities. And banking sector is an example for quaternary activities, and judicial sector is an example for quinary activities. So the economic activity, basic economic activities are primary economic activities, secondary economic activities, tertiary economic activities, quaternary activities and quinary activities. Primary economic activities. These are the economic activities which have been originated in the very beginning. It includes the activities such as forestry, grazing, hunting, fishing, agriculture, mining and quarrying. Secondary economic activities. Secondary activities are those that change the raw materials into usable products through processing and manufacturing. Bakeries that make flour into bread and factories that change metals and plastics into vehicles are examples of secondary activities. Tertiary economic activities. Tertiary economic activities are those that provide essential services and support the industries to function. Often it is called service industries. This level includes the transportation, finance, utilities, education, retail, housing, medical and other services. We are educated by school since School is doing service. It comes under tertiary activity. Quaternary economic activity. Quaternary activities are associated with the creation and transfer of information, including research and training, often called information industries. This level has been dramatic growth as a result of advancements in technology and electronic display and transmission of information. Example, we watch TV. The programs are telecasted from television stations. It is an example of quaternary activities. Quaternary economic activity. Quaternary economic activities refers to the high-level decision-making process by executives in industries, business, education, and government. This sector includes top executives or officials in the fields of science and technology, universities, healthcare, etc. The Council of Ministers take decisions to introduce various people welfare schemes in the state. These two are examples of quaternary activities. That's all for today's class, my dears. We will see the rest of the lesson in the next online class. Thank you, my dears. Thank you.